Okay, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes, this is a video reaction and I would like you to pay good attention to this very one because we are going to play a couple of voice messages, okay, from different people, and the voice note we are going to hear is conversation between group of people, group of individuals who actually have something to say. Some are in support of the US, some are not in support of the US, some are in support of Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran government in exile. But you can, hear the mindset and what people believe on, and we are going to know who actually win this one because some of us believe that the Biafran government in exile and PM is the right channel and they are doing everything that we want, right? Some believe that DOS is the right channel, that they are doing everything that we want. So when you listen to these two different, ideology and belief, what I mean by ideology is that some of them believe that they have to, like DOS, that they want to be peaceful with Nigeria, they want to be peaceful with the oppressor, and that is the best way to go. But when the oppressor wants to oppress anybody, they forgot that they are peaceful. They are the one to advance and to preach on how to make sure they buy anybody that is have different opinion from what they believe on. I wonder what kind of peaceful group they are, but you're going to understand what I'm saying why you after listening to this, because I'm not going to waste much of your time. So let's start with this very video. Just pay attention. This one is from someone who actually believe that Biafran government Neza and PM are getting it right. Now listen.
Okay, for all hand in all if I problem di boma. Yeah, problem di bona. Ebe isiri. If any in a go for no one. Nezeno in a freedom. Ne kuba isiri. Nandi kanatagaluna for. If Nandi can otagaluna for. That's why no JJ tolo. You know? Because all no abundi freedom, freedom, Ujafo blues of first, freedom fighters. Or if Anna Bunu, DDOS, or POS, Kana Bunu, Ujafo blues, or a Kosumi Julian and the Cano. Then you have a fight here for the Wibem Siri. But all modern on me there. 64 years, Martin and the Canon, no even almost 4 years now, not half. Go on, ever and say BC. There's going to die in a fight for freedom.
Now listen. Okay, listen. So hear this one, because what you are going to hear now is from response or a contribution, if you may say, because this is a different conversation on one platform. It's not something that I did not take it from other platform. This is in one group. Here it is. Okay, listen. Because you hear some of them trying to criticize Biafran national team and all that. Now listen to this.
National team but then we go to here. Because social the players, I come on cast. If we go to call iPhone, I can't boy gas on the Bible. I forgot iPhone or your chat to your chat. Because Biafra, I am going to I want to be good Biafra players. Because in the population of Dutcha, the players can go to the so the thing about July. And it's now, I didn't TV. If we have FIFA announced an tournament and why her. And then FIFA recognize Biafra as a team we never see. Now, because Simon and watch the league to the tournament. Because watch here. And we share timetable. Time and hour going to which I'm at the contract and about the match with. I'm as moving artist here. Biafran national team tournament. Getting a contract about the tournament in Kamal to go to watch under the match. Can we believe in doing the right at this day? Wow.
Now, his own argument is that he want to know where you guys are playing this match and everything about the match. So no more freedom, no more. The annoying part is that they are not doing anything, like apart from analyzing what PM and Biafrans do. They don't do anything. They don't start anything, let alone finishing it. So you can see that they don't want to do anything. It's just like somebody who want to be an obstacle. You block the way, you don't want to go front, you don't want to go back. Anyway, listen.
All the infiltrators.
Just a moment, a moment. You hear this one also. Wait. Because I don't want to skip any of the videos so that you yourself will listen to that and you cannot make your own conclusion. And that is why comment section is on. So don't forget to like the video and comment. Subscribe if you're new while we move on, because I don't want to say much. We have a lot of voice note here. So maybe we are going to, let me see if we can put it in one video, or maybe we may split it.
For this video, a very big testimony for us. Yes. I have severally. The year the by. If I make it out, can be a notice that most of our people are not enlightened. Most of our people are not enlightened.
This one's voice is very, very low. Just bear with me, because I want you to pay good attention to what he said. He's in support of the US, so he's laying his own background of propaganda. Listen.
Yeah. But I thank God that now I went to go tangible results. If from that need on that jog a prescribed IPOB Capodosia have anonymous and a mazin and the cano. They hire name what Simon Evan and do to it. I can everything. Yeah, it did destroy everything. I can prescribe IPOB. You will not come out again, and every other person will be hung down.
Please, my people, I thought they told us before that IPOB was they have prescribed IPOB. And he's here telling that thank God that they have not prescribed IPOB, that if they prescribe IPOB, that people they hold in prison and detention will never ever see the the sky anymore, that they can't come out, they will not gonna see any light of the day, they will have to be in the prison forever, that kind of threatening. But the question that I'm asking is, are you guys not the same people that told us that IPOB was prescribed? How many times are they going to prescribe you before? Yesterday I was when I was streaming live, one of them came to my live stream, started threatening me that you know because of what you are saying now, that they are going to delete their father, and some people are very, very funny. You are threatening me as in what? As a Biafran Liberation Army, or you are as a Biafran Prime Minister, or what? You guys ignore your mate and you want to but our own is to report and to tell you that we can see your hideout or your activities, and they're not happy with that, to be honest with you. I don't need to analyze that. I just want to chip it in, because we are going to hear what this man said here. Just listen. Very, very funny.
Take the preventive measures. Lot to your former. You will not check out together. To go to a lawyers who where you to see against them. Makalwa and Nibo, IPOB, the guy with evidence, with every proof that those therefore have IPOB in Emir, all the infiltrators. but IPOB criminals run by Simon Eba. So he had a great testimony. Makandena ajuka IPOB nalo, kaya DOS nalo. I am whatever. But at least got to. At least got to. Onwe video to about last year, lawyer ni haiku. Simon Eba ndena support ya Juna ngata ageze ya terrorists. Na bambo ko mama lawyer ya jebu ijendawa. Up to today, no lawyer ma how about of those people. Because lawyer gwa na DOS gwa ya. No bronyo bna say ni aba agitator. Ejide ko ya Joseph. No how put DOS ye screen before is jenyabo lawyer. Ebidozi esku.
Okwa ndi na chọtalụ no from well. They are choosing who to release and who not to release. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine that? Like, you are looking for Biafra, another person is looking for Biafra, then the person his follower have, was detained or being jailed or anything at all. You may the word the language you want to use. They are in police custody, and their own people also, they are in police custody. Then when they want to release their supporters, they will turn around and tell you, are you supporting us? Are you supporting Simon Ekpa? If you tell you, they will tell the police, okay, hold him very well because he's supporting Simon Ekpa. And the agenda is to give you freedom. Do you listen to yourself? Do they listen to themselves? Because you really believe that people, after hearing what you just said now, people will not love you for abandon an Igbo person and probably, instruct the police people to hold the person very, very strong, that he's a part of Simon Ekpa. No wonder most of them are now working with the Nigerian security forces. Like Darlington, I was told that he's now a police officer in Nigeria. Anyway, listen.
Screening for the majority when they support Simon Eba. As is a happy deal holo ko biogwa. They are there. Nobody's going for them again. Not very bad. Very, very bad. So ndị na-ajụ ka ihe a na-alụ ọya nwadefa Igbo si na ndụ bụ isi Igbo baya n'afa ọife anwa na-alụ defa.
So just for you to know,
life first.
Life first. Just for you to know that they are doing something. Just for you to know that they are doing something, they're making sure that he want to prove to you that they are doing something. Now you are going to hear from Biafrans side what they think about this, and many other people, of course. Just listen.
I hear your voice. I don't work able. I don't work able. I'm an ass. No, I saw that is an able to bloom that I miss you. I don't know if it's a put up. I feel the same way. But if you're not working today, you will make that Nigeria now in peace. Nigeria is in pieces. I'm not going to buy last. But I went in my bar recently. If not Nigeria had in pieces. And once if I got there, nothing they happened there, I swear. Yabola is saying he this army chief of staff, the former army chief of staff in the zoo, last 4 months before Omoro. All said that they are enemies because of attacking Nigeria from nowhere. So how they confused? Army chief of staff who do what? And the one thing the mother water maybe in Nigeria no but in Nigeria was army. And they put this in the terrorists or this in the Boko Haram. They boys in army fa. Also had hire missionaries from Niger, from Mbadi Chiche, Sudan, they boy for army without training. So how about the East as well far? Or where in the machine have to wait the East in the Sufana. So the war, are you willing to give spiritually already? no computer physically. For Nigeria, from school, they will come to tell me, I got a table. They will come to a round table. If I have one in the last part of Ghana, maka na ndị Britain na ịmago ndị Britain na-agwa ha n'udodi na o nwere ọnụdodi ndị Britain na ndị Britain ji ha otegoro ike bụ these people since because egbugbo na ndị amị ndị ahụ n'Imo steeti ndị asụgo ndị amị akwụ egbugbo na ha complete so nwanne m n'udodi Chineke na-anụrụ anyị ọgụ a and ọ ga-anọgide anyị ọgụ anyị ga-enwe mmeri
Gidigweze IPOB Ginazo Simon Eba, our indefatigable Prime Minister. We respect you, we love you, and more than 60 million Biafrans are solidly behind you. The POS will know poverty stricken. Wee hapụrụ ime mana anyị nwere olileanya na ha ga-enwe ezi uche chigharịa site na agbụ ekere ha pụta site na gbonga rienga pụta mana Chukwu kebere pụrụ ime ihe niile ga-ebere anyị niile ebere anyị niile bụ otu ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma na Eke Orie Afọ Nkwọ ise onye.
You see the mindset of genuine Biafran. Did you notice anything different? Despite the fact that this man or this our brother just said something now, understand that they have different, everybody have different opinion, and he don't share the same belief with us, but he still acknowledge that I ain't in a bofu. You do understand it? But DOS will tell you, no, bring a cross, let us crucify him, buy him, delete him. They will not turn around and tell you that we are peaceful, that we don't want violence, that we don't want to bloodshed, but they are the one facilitating the buying of our people based on their belief and the hidden agenda with the politicians. It is as clear as day. It's not hidden. But they want to sweep it under the carpet. That's not how it works. So now the issue is that people actually know what he's playing at. Listen to this one also.
I want old man mentality can pocket because also the house on Alcabana. Ndị a bụ ndị kacha na aka nọ na aka na-eme ihe nọchike dozie ma ọ bụ Chinasa Ngoru ha agbara isigo saịdị a wepụ ọnụ na era anọzi na enyi eketa awụ nọ Biafran Liberation Biafran Republic Government in Exile amagha na ebe aka anyị nọzi na aka na aka akọ June 12 ọmara na enwego December date ihe ewepụtara ọnụ maka Liberation of Biafra ụdọ ndị abụ ndị ya nọ na ha ekworo ihe na-eme na-eme nọ so ikwuru ihe ekwu nụnụ mana onye kwesịrị ịbịa na-ewesi ya survival because ndị free of short ndị Hausa tụrụ ime ha ebe ọ na onye ha ka ya na-enwere ike ịghọta ihe a na-ekwu nụ enviness ka o si bụrụ Simon Ekpa ịma na ihe ji ndị be anyị egbu nụ enviness ka o si bụrụ tara ụmụ Israel ihe ji ndị be anyị egbu nụ obi mgbawa na-eme ya nụ a na-akọ aka IPOB bụ nke nwe onye akpọrọ afọ Nnamdị na Simon Ekpa onwe ihe na-atara gị ọ na-achọzi ka ọ bịa ka o kewazie ya na Nnamdị Kanụ gwa gị na follow Simon Ekpa page so ndị mmadụ nọ ikwuru enu okenye bụ ihe na-edistọb ya na ọmazi ihe ebe a nọ n'enyi ha na-eme nọ ọ ka na-agụ akwụkwọ nọ na-abịa echi dị ọmara na esigo na nke a wepụ ọnụ na anọzi na ABCD so nwanne m nọ ana m asị ka nketa na ihe dị mmadụ ka ewere ndajọ na adajọ mmadụ ikwu onye iyi ekwu na ị ga nọ anyị nwabụrụ na-ege nọ ọgụrụ mgbe Jizọs ọgụrụ mgbe John the Baptist n'ụwa na-asị ma ụzọ ya nwaanyị ka ọ dị ọcha na ụfọdụ ekwe n'ihe ọ na-ekwu Jizọs na onwe abịa n'ụwa onye na-ekwu okwu nọ na-ajụkwa ndị ya na-abụ na onye ka ndị mmadụ na-ekwu na ya bụ nọ ụfọdụ na-asị na ọ bụ onye nke ụfọdụ na-abụ onye nke nwekwa ụfọdụ ekwetekwa na ọ ka bịa dị ya so ọ dị adị nọ first ihe niile mere eme anyị nọ anyị na-efe esikọta ha nche niile mechara nọ o mechara na ụwa o mechago n'ụwa mbụ nọ o mere anyị Adam so nke na-eme dịkịta abụrụ ihe ọ bụ ofu uwe jere anyị so na ndị mmadụ aghọtaghị ụmụ ihe na-eme nọ ya wutene gị na mmadụ niile na after all mgbe Jizọs nọ n'ime Jizọs tuwe disciples ha bịakwa mgbe Judas n'ime ha nọ onye mgbafụ na onye mgbagha nọ onye osu imi nọ so na ha dịkwa so kama ihe na-ekwu okwu ewu nọ one with God is majority ọ na mmadụ ise nọ kpọgasị mmadụ iri fogo n'anya nọ ọ naghị onye nwaanyị tere pawuda ana masị onye nwaanyị tere pawuda n'ụtụtụ teghe n'ehihie teghe n'abalị teghe pawuda na-eke na ori na afọ na nkwọ nọ ka ihe ọma niile anyị bụ n'obi maka anyị Igbo ka ọ ha n'anya bịa na mmezu n'afọ Chukwu oke abịa ma ise Sh0ck America
and you are following the news, the voice note, and keep on listening to them. And I want you to make things out from what you are hearing and do the comparison. Okay? Listen to this one. Now let me start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
Simon contribute to almost 70 or 80% of it. Against
this is from DOS, and you hear how selfish. All of them had different reasons. This guy's reason for calling for end of seats at home will shock you. Okay.
All want to go, but not this way. Not this way. Tinyan dundi na danger. Don Finland enjoying his life with his family. People now must because of his policy and all these nonsense things on a great here in the now cause more problem to Nandekan. That guy was what a criminal cop. One year cause a lot of this insecurity when an Igbo today Bunyam about the head. And the government they use here or unable to send the yeah, and I call more in the hell about time. I'm go see brainwash or to update in a connoy or blow out on your ducky in a look at what Donna city down. Think well. On your news, we have now, on my family are not able. On one name unable. On that on an Igbo upside down, Igbo Kata go war zone because of him. On your Takos West and the command on Yapunia. By the second banner, no, was the Veggie Maluguasa, Maria Malanibu. Oyana by Katani Buanatia. Why name on anything government in a provider in Dibo? And one anything government in and you have not the thing in Nina because government has okay. Farmer because I'm an Ihabo, Ibo to Ibo. I tried them, Banket, when I never see known. If you ever knock on now, can you not preaching? I'm not mamma if any cooking. The insecurity when I buy today, time on about the cost. And this not none the kind of plan. Now they can't blow like this goes to plan because I'm not woman the cano Naya. All those things are there, man. Why feed you Malo Dubu? On a Katabatan Nibo, Batan Nigeria, Batan Nibo. No one of Finland since we drew a bit of Pajana disposition. Since you are well to do about Nigeria, but on Finland, they're enjoying his life. On a sit at home 1 month, 1 week. 1 week on a local on they make his own money. They destroy their business. My business on happen on a daily basis. My business happen on a daily basis. Investors, mother, can have a invest ego. Everyone now was also because security at all. About to get back to war zone. If you have an alcohol, if you mean alcohol. Ndị Igbo na-emebe plan ka epulu many business enwekasị na Lagos to bring it back to an Igbo. Emere ha anya ego Biafra atọ no an Igbo to war zone. All the business pull back to Lagos. If you are na akọrọ m akọ na general na biko. Ọ bụrụ mara ihe ekwu mechi ọnụ. Abịa na ndị na-ekwu ya masịrị ife. I know what I'm saying. of you don't have been Igbo no be if you basala Igbo na dey mma, he will do everything possible to stop all this insecurity. Nothing that they create more. You know, they must sit at home 1 week, 2 weeks. And don't in sit at home. Can you hear or business video from one year and one in ha. Always only one goes where in my innocent soul on them go now the sense I name about it today. And in the madam, then we have book on a habit and you try to find you as home over. I will move for nothing. If I go, give me a call.
Okay, so now one thing you need to understand is that I have feel so to me I feel so surprised, because it's not as if these people don't understand how the whole thing started. I mean, they actually believe that nobody remembers how Igbo land used to be. I don't know what is in their mind, what they feel about other people had, or they just think that everybody is a mumu. Mazna Mugano, before the kidnapping, there's insecurity in Southeast. Just like you have insecurity in the other part of Nigeria, of course, there's no place today that you say that you will beat your chest and say, okay, we are free from insecurity and all that. As it stands, the most safest place now is East. Most safest place. Why? Because we have less Fulani oppression in the East. And he made mention of, what his name, Mazam Mekano traveled to Nigeria, and that some people have not traveled since he joined the struggle and all that. First time that Mazam Mekano traveled, what happened? They arrest him. They detained him. Then he later ran away because they want to buy him. Now he did not come back. They started looking for him outside Nigerian territory to kidnap him, which they succeeded with the help of those that is working with him. You know the story. Now, these people ignored all those things, and what this guy man is literally trying to say is that PM should travel to Nigeria so that they can arrest him, because PM going to Nigeria willingly now is just like somebody submitting himself to his enemy and something like that. So how can you explain this to us? You are fighting for Biafra and others are fighting, PM is fighting for Biafra, but only PM is the one that Nigerian government are actually looking for. They don't look after, they don't look for you. That means you pose zero threat. And all the supporters of PM that you are talking about, people that they detained in the prison and all that, many people under your group, under your own group, which is IPOB, have been in prison for years. Some have, there are quite many of them. So it's not as if Nigerian government is only looking for people that are supporting PM to arrest. And it's only in Nigeria that you can say that you support somebody without saying anything or doing anything. You don't even contribute anything, and they will go after you simply because you are unable. Anyway, I have to split this video, so let's make it two different videos, because I can see that this one is almost getting to 30 minutes. So we need to come back again for second part of it. So like this video and subscribe. Tell me what you think about what I have discussed, and the continuation of this video will follow up immediately. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.